Namaste. Today we are going to look at a very innovative salad called the Paratha salad, which can be made with whatever is left over in your home, in your kitchens. Especially if you have a chapati or a paratha, the salad can be easily done. Ingredients required for paratha salad: paratha, cucumber, carrots, tomato, lemon, onions, capsicum, mint chutney, ketchup, coriander leaves, garlic, oil, salt and peanuts. Now we'll start with making the salad. And cut them into Now we'll add the remaining ingredients into the paratha. I've cut the carrots into juliennes, some juliennes of carrot. Juliennes of cucumbers. Juliennes of tomatoes. Finely sliced onions, sliced capsicum, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of lemon juice, olive oil, some mint chutney, a little bit of tomato ketchup, and salt to taste. Now we'll just get this salad tossed. Now we'll start presenting the salad. So now we'll garnish it with some peanuts. And some coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. And now a simple tomato rose, a few for the garnish. So your very own paratha salad is ready. You can use your home ingredients which are left over like paratha and other vegetables to create simple salads like this. Thank you.